सबसे बेस्ट में दबंग है, चेन्नई है, बाहुबली है, पुष्पा है, गदर 2 है और अपना धुरंधर है।
This is the ideal thing you should have on a hot day. Ooh.
केविस का मतलब कुणाल विजयकर नहीं है।
It is so chocolatey. It is full of chocolate and more chocolate. Chocolate Sunday. जितनी ज्यादा गर्मी होती है उतनी ज्यादा प्यास लगती है और वेंकीज प्रेजेंट खाना नंबर 1 के इस एपिसोड में मुझे बहुत प्यास लगी है क्योंकि देखो इतनी गर्मी है। तो मैंने सोचा कि इस एपिसोड में हम सिर्फ जूसेस, ड्रिंक्स और मिल्क शेक्स करें, ज्यादा करके ड्रिंक्स और मिल्क शेक्स, क्योंकि there's nothing that can quench the thirst in this heat like a good cold drink or a milkshake. तो चलो पहली मिल्क शेक ट्राई करते हैं। So let's start with Chani Road, close to the railway station. There's a place called Patil, and Patil over there, juice center, makes some fabulous milkshakes. So let's quench our thirst with Patil's milkshake. Let's go. धूप से बचने का एक ही इलाज है, एक पेड़ ढूंढो और उसके नीचे बैठो। तो मैं ये पाटू जूस सेंटर के बाहर ही एक पेड़ है और बैठने के लिए जगह है। मैं बैठा हूँ अपने मिल्कशेक के इंतजार में।
ये 1965 के मेरे पास जूस में बहुत सारे वैरायटी, 365 वैरायटी मेरे पास।
मलबरी, ब्लूबेरी, स्ट्रॉबेरी। This is mango, strawberry, blueberry and coconut. This is called bell bottom and this is called Dhurandhar. Let's start with this first. Now, you're supposed to normally drink a milkshake. Here we're eating the milkshake. Rich, full of chunky fruits. The fruit are really good for the summer. Fresh and real fruit in this. It's flavorful. Let's try the Dhurandhar. And I'm getting very excited about Dhurandhar because there's mango in the Dhurandhar. Let's hit the mango first and the cashews. Exactly like Dhurandhar, which is packed with action and romance and music and dance and drama. This too is packed with action, drama, romance. And music is when I eat it. अब ऐसे कोल्ड ड्रिंक शॉप पे जाते हैं जहां मैं पहली बार लगभग 30 साल पहले आया था जब मैं कॉलेज में था। You get a variety of fruit juices and a variety of cold drinks. So let's go eat this cold drink, iconic in this area. And let's try something refreshing for this really hot day. Hello Idris.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm very good.
Nice to meet you again after 12 years.
After 12 years? Yes.
Yeah,
That's why I was
2014.
wondering what year I came. And I
Yeah,
remember coming here and being refreshed. It was also another hot Mumbai day.
That is.
And we came to get ourselves a little refreshed and cool. And
So what you want to try today?
you tell me what I should
We
try
have
today.
two flavors very running.
Okay.
One is Idris Special,
Okay.
which is named after me.
Okay.
It's a cocktail of 3 flavors like orange, anar and rose.
Okay.
Another thing we have a falsa.
Okay.
Falsa is basically a fruit which
हाँ.
is grown in Gujarat side. Gujarat में ज़्यादा मिलता है falsa.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a flavor like falsa also.
Okay.
I'm making 2 for you today.
Fantastic. So we're going to do an
Yeah,
Idris
this is
special
Idris Special.
and we're going to do falsa.
Falsa.
I remember when we were young, we used to get a cold drink called falsa.
Falsa. So this is falsa and this
Okay.
is Idris Special. We add a pinch of black pepper and salt,
Okay.
a lime, a crushed ice,
Crushed ice
and a Bisleri soda.
and soda. Okay. So these are nice fizzy drinks.
and all are homemade.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the falsa.
Oh, look at this color. I love. And the thing about cold drinks is that it has to have color. The color is what makes it attractive. Yeah. Ah,
Something
is
similar
good.
to kala khatta.
it is.
It's a fruit.
It
It's a
is.
fruit.
Okay,
Falsa.
falsa is a fruit.
Berry fruit. Small berry fruit.
Oh, lovely this is. Oh, this is dry man. And let's try
this
the other
is-
one.
Yeah, this is special Idris. Okay, a flavor of 3 flavors, mix of 3 flavors: orange, anar, and rose. Try this, sir.
Orange,
anar,
anar,
and rose.
I love this.
Something
Oh, I
like a
love it.
tangy, sweety, and all
It's
3 flavors.
sweet, it's tangy, it's spicy also because of your masala. And this is the ideal thing you should have on a hot day. Oof. Idris, God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
You are a
All-
savior in this weather.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Have and enjoy your drink.
I'm still having it.
Yeah, yes. Take it.
Come together with Drenkies.
Hot, tired, and still looking for things to cool me down. Now, I'm inside the lanes of Girgaon, and over there is one stall which excels in chocolate flavors and milkshakes. It's called KV. ढूंढते हैं केवी को और फ्रूट बहुत हो गया अभी थोड़ा चॉकलेट करते हैं Okay, this is quite a cheerful looking place. KV's milkshake. Now, KV does not mean Kunal Vijaykar.
ये मेरा मॉम डैड का नेम है कीर्ति और विद्याधर उसके लिए
And they've got a variety of chocolate flavored milkshakes, each better than the other. We got a Kit Kat, Oreo, Biscoff, Oreo, chocolate, vanilla, double Oreo also. Let's see what to order. Namaste.
नमस्ते
Milkshake.
येस
कुठली milkshake घेऊ?
आमच्याकडे बेस्ट आमचा लोटस बिस्कॉप आणि चॉकलेट संडे आहे
Chocolate Sunday आणि
आणि Lotus
Lotus Biscoff.
येस
मला चॉकलेट फार आवडते. And I'm hoping that your milkshake is fabulous. मस्त
वन ऑफ
आहे.
द बेस्ट शेक
थंड गार milkshake, Lotus Biscoff आणि chocolate
संडे
Sunday. Let's go. चला बनवा.
अच्छा मेरा नाम मितनर है ये मेरा केवीज मिल्कशेक का शॉप है यहाँ पे मैं 4 ईयर से हूँ हम लोग के 2 आउटलेट है टोटल यहाँ पे हम लोग यहाँ पे बेस्ट हम लोग चॉकलेट्स में डील्स करते हैं नो फ्रूट्स नथिंग बट वी आर द बेस्ट शेक्स इन टाउन फॉर चॉकलेट्स
पहिला कुठला देतोस मला?
लोटस बिस्कॉप
Lotus Biscoff.
येस तुम्हाला इथून देऊ की तिथे
इथून दे ना. This is the Lotus Biscoff. So there's this lovely chocolate milkshake. ह्याच्यामध्ये पण बिस्कॉफ असते का वरतून
बिस्कॉप
नुसतं?
ब्लेंड केलेला आहे पूर्ण आणि आतवर टॉपिंगला बिस्कॉप आहे पूर्ण
So the Biscoff is blended within the milkshake and then the topping of Biscoff also. Nothing in the world tastes as good as chocolate. And today, the flavor of Biscoff it's so viral, it's so crazy that without this biscuity Biscoff, nothing tastes good. We'll try one of these biscuits as well. Cool, refreshing, and in this heat. आता सेकंड आहे मला सेकंड. And this is chocolate sundae.
चॉकलेट संडे पूरा लोडेड चॉकलेट विद ब्राउनी अंदर और चोको चिप रहेगा चॉकलेट सिरप रहेगा और फुल्ली टॉपिंग से लोडेड रहेगा
Chocolate milkshake loaded. There's a brownie, there's Oreo, there's chocolate chips. Not only inside the milkshake, also on top, garnished. Kit Kat. Oh, it is so chocolatey. It is full of chocolate and more chocolate. Let's grab one of these. This has been a full meal. Just a whole episodes of milkshakes and drinks. अगर आपको ये episode अच्छा लगा तो please share, like, subscribe, and see you next time on Venkie's Presents Khana Number 1. I'm very cold now. Cool हो गया मैं पूरा.